Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jennifer and I'm a 40-year-old mother of two. I have an 18-year-old that is going to college this year and a 17-year-old that's a senior in high school. Alright, here you'll see me cutting up some fruit for my husband's lunch. He works night shift and I'm trying to get this fruit cut up after I've gotten home from my work day. Also, I don't know the best method to cut this fruit up, but this way works for me. Gotta get the seeds out of the cantaloupe. Always reminds me of when kids were little, when we would cut up pumpkins for Halloween. We don't do that anymore. They think they're too old for that, but I do remember doing it. It was fun. Gonna throw all the assorted fruits into his little lunch box here that he takes. Sprinkle a little salt on there. Gonna put the lid on it and shake it up. Spread that salt around is what I'm thinking. Okay, the strawberries I cut and put them in his water bottle there. He says it gives his water a little flavor and it lasts all through the night, even when he refills his water. He said the fruit still flavors the new water, so that's something new we've been trying and he has been enjoying it. Put a little honey in there for a sweetener. I'm going to shake that up too, spread it around. Here I'm doing a little ranch and I'll put some carrots in there. Gonna finish up cutting the fruit. I only cut enough to get in his lunch. Just trying to make sure I cut up enough to have his lunch ready before I had to wake him up. I have a little extra time here, so I figure I'll just cut up the rest of the fruit while I have it out, so I don't have to go back and do it later. What are some fruits that you guys like to eat? We are watermelon, cantaloupe, mandarin, oranges, apples, strawberries, and grapes. That's usually the fruits that we stick to. But what are some other good fruits that are out there? We, to me, just stick to the basics. So I'm going to get some cleaning done now. I'm going to vacuum our bedroom. It's just a little shark vacuum we caught on sale at Lowe's one weekend. I've had it for several years. It works really good. Alright, I've switched over to the Rainbow to vacuum our hardwood floors. We've also had this for several years. We love it. It's a little clunky pulling it around, as you see, but it does double as an air purifier, and we do love that. We'll drop some essential oils down in it. It gets a little smell good going. It does have a vacuum attachment. I just choose not to use it. Now we've switched to the mop. Gonna mop these hardwood floors. We've got 3 bulldogs that stay in the house, a miniature Dachshund, and a teacup Chihuahua. So our floors are constantly needing vacuumed and mopped. Also, my husband tells me all the time, Jen, your resting face makes you look like you're mad. And I tell him, I'm not mad, it's just how my face looks. I don't know, I have a good resting face. This is our kitchen, and on the kitchen table right there you see our cat. His name is Cotton. He is about 15 years old, I believe now. He's diabetic. He gets a shot twice a day. Here I'm over by our dog kennel. It's a 3-dog kennel. On the top of that I have 2 3D printers. They are Bamboo A1 combo systems. And on our computer desk I have a Bamboo P1S. That's an IKEA desk with Alex drawers. I do 3D printing. Here I'm going to make me a little dinner. I'm going to do some breakfast for dinner. It's a hash brown with some chicken and eggs. I found this recipe on Facebook from a girl. She said it was a good high protein recipe. It tastes good. I enjoy it. It's easy. Just pop it in the air fryer. Wait till that gets done, and then I'll scramble some eggs a little later after that cooks. But yeah, the 3D printing, I do that on the side. We have a shop on Etsy. Mach 1 3D Prints is our name. Here, you see the printer's even better. Pulling off a print job I had. Somebody ordered some little eagles. They're little flexi eagles. They're cute. I'm gonna clean that plate, and I gotta switch it out for another plate. Switch out some other material that can withstand heat and water. My husband, he wanted a holder for his security camera outside. Here you see me, I've got the pattern pulled up. I'm going to flip it around, make sure it can print on my print plate. Making sure it's angled right, all the base is touching the plate. You don't want anything to be floating on this. You want to make sure it's all flat on the plate. I'm going to put a little glue down, just using Elmer's glue on this. That helps the material hold to the plate. Usually this material I'm using doesn't come undone from the plate, but I want it to be extra safe on this one because that one's going to use quite a bit of material. And you'd hate to print it and the print come loose from the plate and then you've wasted all that material. Here you see me online searching for patterns. Okay, now I've sat down and I'm going to put together some keychains that I've sold in our Etsy store. They're class of 2026 keychains. We can do them in any color. So I'm going to put them together now and get them all packed up for the customer. And I actually enjoy the 3D printing. It gives me something to do. It's neat to make all the little toys that you can make and give them to our friends and family. I send them to my nieces. I just find it fun. Alright, I've got my packing boxes here and all our stickers. Put these boxes together and get these items packaged up so I can get them in the mail tomorrow for the customer. Every customer gets a packing slip, and here you'll see me go in. I'm going to print out a thank you card that has a discount code on it. So all of our customers get a thank you card with a discount code, just as an extra thank you, and hope you come back for more business. I'm going to load her up with our stickers. I've got a Mach 1 3D Prints QR code sticker I put on the box, a fragile sticker, and a thank you sticker. There you go. This customer ordered several of our flexi animals. I think she got some pandas, some tigers, giraffes, and there was another animal she got. I'll show it here in the video. And the eagle, of course, the eagle. Cute little combo of little pets. Alright, it's time to weigh these packages and get their shipping labels printed. We ship within a week of the order. Sometimes we ship next day. Just depends on how many orders I've got in and if all the printers are busy. Here I'm taking pictures of new items that I've printed. It's a little haunted house and there's some gargoyles. I'm trying to get a jump on the Halloween stuff. I have a fall festival we're going to set up at next month. So I'm trying to get prepared and have some things printed. Just showing you what all's going on the printers. That would be the camera mount printing over there. This one's another camera mount. Here, let's see what we have. A can holder, a slim can holder is going here. It's been really popular here lately. Alright, finishing up my dinner. I'm going to scramble me up an egg. Alright, adding my egg to my hash brown and chicken mixture. Gonna add in some salsa. And some buffalo ranch sauce. You don't want to add too much of this if you don't like spicy because it does have a kick, but it is good. And some cheddar cheese. I love this stuff here, guys. Cran pineapple juice. It is so good. Pour me half a glass of the juice and then I fill the rest up with water. That's just how I enjoy drinking it. And alright, and that's my dinner for the night. Here you'll see me giving the dogs their vitamins for the night. That's 3 Frenchies, an English, a mini Dachshund, and a teacup Chihuahua. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please subscribe. There's more to come.